When you're redoing the exterior of your RV or camper, here's a good example of why you should not use silicone. If you're new here, my name is Shai and I renovate RVs and vintage campers. Hit the follow button if you want to learn more. This one's an older vintage camper and they try to reseal it with silicone, and this is what happens. It doesn't protect your seals at all. It doesn't protect anything. It just comes right off. That's your silicone. It does not work. It's not made for RVs. It's not made to move around. This is not. Nope. No. You can see the old Beetle putty and they just put the silicone right on top of it. It'll come right off. Instead, you should be using products that are made specifically for RVs. Most RV owners prefer to use something like Dicor because Dicor has been around for a while. But me, I prefer to go with this one. This is from the Roof Man. He's here on TikTok. You should check him out. This one is the non-sag. This is for edging and trimming and doors and windows. And he also has products specifically for the roof. And no, I didn't get paid for this. I just really like his products.